Do you need 1 hectare to start land banking in Cameroon, or you can start land banking in Cameroon with just 1 plot? A lot of people think they need a huge piece of land before they can call themselves land investors. But that's not necessarily true. In this video, let's talk about how much more land you really need to get started and what should matter in starting land banking more than just size. Hello everyone, my name is Musa Buba, your trusted real estate consultant here in the city of Boya, southwest region of Cameroon. I help Cameroonians both home and abroad make safe and informed real estate decisions when making land investment and also avoiding costly mistakes. If you are interested in land banking or real estate education here in Cameroon, then subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell because I share helpful tips about real estate and land banking opportunities always in this channel. Now let's get into it. Point 1, you don't need a huge piece of land to start land banking. Land banking isn't about buying the biggest properties you can find. You can start with a single plot if that's what your budget can afford. The most important thing in land banking is understanding what you are buying and why you are buying it. Don't put yourself into a lot of financial pressure just because you want to buy a big portion of land to call yourself a big investor. Point 2, location can matter more than size. Just imagine you have 2 options. 1 is a large piece of land in an area with little or no development. The other is a small piece of land in a location with better access and growing activity. So, which one is automatically better? Neither. You have to investigate the specific properties. But this example shows why you shouldn't focus only on size. Point 3, think about your budget. Your budget should guide your decisions. If you have 3 million francs CFA, then look for opportunities that suit your budget. Don't borrow money you can't comfortably repay just because you want a huge piece of land. Please start where you are comfortable paying. You can always think about buying more land later when you increase your budget. Point 4, think about your goal. Ask yourself, why am I buying this land? If your goal is long-term land banking, then you need to focus on the location, development potential, access, and documentation. If your goal is building a house, then your requirements may be different. Your goal should always influence the properties you choose. Point 5, small can become part of a bigger plan. Maybe you can start with 1 plot and later your income increases. You find another opportunity, you buy another plot. And over time, you could build a large property portfolio. You don't necessarily have to do everything at once. Always start carefully and grow gradually. Point 6, don't forget verification. Whether you are buying 1 plot or you are buying 100 hectares, verification still remains very important. Check the location, understand the documents, confirm the ownership situation, inspect the property, and always seek professional help whenever necessary. A small piece of verified land is always better than a large piece of problematic land. With all these points stated, so how much land do you need to start land banking? The answer is very simple. There is no magic size. 1 plot can be a starting point. What matters more is whether the property fits your budget, fits your goal, and your investment strategy. Don't focus on only how many square meters am I getting. Also ask, what am I getting for my money? Now, I want to hear from you. If you have 3 million francs to start land banking, will you prefer 1 plot in a developing location, or will you prefer a bigger size of land in an area that is underdeveloped and very far away? Please leave your answers and opinions in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel as well as follow me for more practical land banking content. If you want proper guidance in starting your land banking business or you are looking for verified opportunities, trusted ones, then contact me or send me a message on WhatsApp via the numbers on your screen and I shall help guide you properly in making your land investment. Talking about opportunities, our company, Property Trust Group of Boya, that's the company I'm associated with. We are located at Moliko, opposite Infinity Mansion at Sosoliso. We have estate selling from as low as 1.5 million francs CFA. We are currently launching our estate at Likumbe. That's the road linking Boya to Limbe at Bukwango. The estate is fast selling at 1.5 million francs CFA per 400 meter square piece of land. So if you are interested, send me a message on WhatsApp or contact me directly. Feel free to reach out anytime. I shall be so glad to help you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Start with what you can afford. Choose carefully, verify properly, and think long term. Remember, don't just work for money. Let your money too work for you through smart real estate investments. I shall see you in the next video.